If you've ever treated acne or pigmentation properly, but the results never last, there's usually a reason, and it often comes down to skin barrier. In this video, I want to explain why treatment fails when the skin barrier is damaged, even when you're using the right products. So in the previous video, I explained what the skin barrier is and why it's so important. This conversation builds on that because I see a lot of people doing everything right on paper, yet their skin never stabilizes. Because when the skin barrier is damaged, the skin is already inflamed, and inflamed skin doesn't respond predictably to treatment. This is where acne and pigmentation management starts to break down. For acne, a compromised barrier means increased sensitivity, higher irritation from active treatments, and slower healing. Breakouts may improve briefly, then flare again, and sometimes worse than before. Pigmentation, on the other hand, inflammation is a major trigger because when the barrier is damaged, melanocytes, which are the pigment producing cells, become more reactive. That's why the people notice dark marks forming easily or becoming darker after irritation. This is particularly important in darker skin tones where post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation can be more persistent. Some of the common mistakes that people keep making are treating through irritation, continuing actives despite stinging, burning, or even peeling. Another issue is layering too many treatments at once. When the barrier is compromised, the skin loses its ability to regulate what goes in and out. So, over time, this leads to a cycle of irritation, temporary improvement, relapse, frustration, and then switching products again. So at this stage, the problem isn't that acne or pigmentation isn't treatable, but it's that the skin isn't ready to tolerate treatment. And this is why a professional skin assessment matters. Not every flare needs a stronger product. Sometimes it just needs a pause and a reset. So until barrier is stable, treatments won't behave the same or how they're supposed to. In the next video, I'll be talking about how to repair the skin barrier properly and what needs to be in place before treating acne or pigmentation. Because understanding the sequence is the secret behind consistent results. So go ahead and hit the like button, share, and subscribe. And remember to also follow me on my social media platforms at Uncomplicate Skincare.